Hello viewers, this is our electrical project generating video for you people. Happy watching. The project is regarding automatic digital visitor counter. For this we need some main components that are microcontroller 8051, a transformer that is of 220 by 0 by 12 volt AC supply. We need 4 IR sensors in pair, a display LCD 16 by 2, relay for the loads and other simple components as diode, capacitor, LED, switches, and at the last we need 4 bulbs and holder for the signal purpose. In extra to it, you need a soldering iron rod and solder wire, flux, etc. for the building of it. First take a cardboard and complete it as following. This is a project made by us for our semester project. The project is made on a wooden board. First we have taken 220 supply from this to the transformer, and if you see is 12 volt is supplying to the controller and the voltage regulator board PCB. This is 8051 and this is voltage regulator which is converting into 5 volt for the uses of components. This is LCD 16 into 2 which will show the data how the person moves in and moves out. Now we following after it 4 IR sensors, means that is 2 inside and for the exit, entry side and exit side are controlled and connected through the microcontroller 8051. LCD will display how many people entered the room and how many people left the room. This is a resistance, 4 resistance connected to each LED, the black one and the simple white one. Now here is the relay board which are connected to 220 supply, and these all 4 holders which will show the entry of people by glowing of bulb. We had applied glue guns to stick this holder properly here, and we had applied the glue gun to stick the modules and the board firmly on the board. I will explain you the relay board function in my next videos. I want to just say that the relay works on electromagnetic induction principle. Now you understand the whole making of the project, so we can start the process, or we can say the how it works. I will show you. Take the transformer cable and power it in 220 to take 220 voltage from the plug. You can see that it's the light bulb, sorry, this is the power button. Now if you see, we had got the power to our circuit. The LED is glowing, it's voltage regulator LED, and the LCD is also glowing, means the microcontroller is working properly. On the LED you can see it's saying persons or devices. Persons, the entry and exit, the counting, and devices means how many devices it had been used. Here we are using 1 2 3 4, means 4 devices. It will be shown in number. So we start the working of our project. I will use 4 0-watt bulbs for my holders. That is the red one, the white one, and the blue one. Make sure the power is off for the safety purposes while inserting the bulb. Now you can see that all the 4 bulbs are attached firmly to the holder. For person walking from this entry, you can see if I move this bulb, first device is on, and here person 1 and device 1 is showing. So I am explaining you to it, and then I will again connect it. So firstly I will close the circuit. So I am using a pen for a person to walk it, and it will walk in this black and white with circuit on the gate will be cut, and device will count it at 1. So, and at the time of exit the device will subtract 1%, as you will see in all this process in the LCD part. Now I will continuously show you how the person moves in and moves out firmly in this circuit by using this marker. So let's start. Firstly you see the LCD, it's person and devices. Now you can see the flash is not working there. Persons and devices, they is showing none of the number, and all the bulbs are not glowing. So see, person is walking through the gate, bulb one ons, and you can see the 2 person and 1 device. You will be saying the 2 person. First person is the first one which entered the first one. For resetting it we need to use this button. Right, now again we will enter one more person. Three, 4. Now the device is 2, means the second bulb is on. Second bulb is on. If I want more person to go in, you can see the third bulb is on. 3 devices, 13%, 14%, 15. All the 4 bulbs are glowing properly, and there's showing 15%. More person can be entered. Now I will take the person to here, and he will exit completely. Sorry friends, there was some technical problem. The wire from this side was out. Now you can see, I will again try it, and they are 15%, 4 devices, all the bulbs are glowing. Now I will not use this pen, as the distance between these two and these two is more. It was the fault of construction while making it. I will use my hand, and you can see, sorry for the camera, and you can see the 16% and 4 devices. If a person moves out, you can see how it's 15, 1 bulb is off. If a person moves out, 11, 10, 9, and you can see 2 bulbs are off, only devices 3, means if one again go from this side, bulb on, device 3, next move on, 11, 12, 13, 14, and now people will exit from this side, 15, 14, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Now device will only 1, 2, 1, 0. Again, people can go, people can out from this side. And for resetting, like if you want 1 2 3, you use this button, the red one, and you can reset it. As you will see here, devices will off. So this was all about this project. Thank you, friends. Thank you for watching this. Please like, comment and subscribe, as every YouTube channel or video says. So thank you.